Hello guys, welcome back to my channel सक्सेस इंजीनियरिंग। आज हम सीखेंगे एरे कमांड के बारे में। एरे कमांड, आर कमांड, डिवाइड कमांड एंड डोनट कमांड। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। To use the R command, just draw one circle. Type C. Shortcut of circle is C. Divide this circle, for example. Just divide this circle. Draw one more circle in the perimeter of this circle. Okay. Now apply the array command. Just type AR. Shortcut of array command is AR. Enter. If you see in the command bar is asking select the object. Array select object. Enter. Then PO, type PO or just click on this polar. Then ask me specify the center point of array. Just click on the center point of this circle and put the number of items. Just click on this I. Put 5. Enter. One more time. Just type draw one circle. Okay. Draw one circle on the perimeter of this bigger circle. Type AR. Enter. Select object. Enter. Type PO for polar array. And just click the center point of the circle. Specify the center point of array. Just click. Type I. Number of item. Put 12. The polar array. One more option is there. This is the polar array, and one more option is rectangular array. So for rectangular array, draw one circle. Type AR. Select object. Enter. Click on rectangle and click on the count. Then asking enter the number of column. For example, this is the column 1, 2, 3, 4. So enter 10 number of column. And again asking enter the number of rows. So put again 10. So 10 by 10. This is the rectangular array. Okay. Second command is R command. So the shortcut of R command is AR. Just type AR. Enter. So shortcut of R command is A. Just type A. First point, second point. Okay. This is the R. First point, second point. Okay. Change the color. Go to the property, change the color. Get below. Okay. Type A. First point, second point. First point, second point. Okay. Draw one line. The one more option is there. Start, center, end. Start point, center point, end point. Okay. One more option you can learn. Just click on this arc from the panel. Center, start, end. So this is the center. For example, this is the start point. This is the end point. Okay. One more option you can learn. Click on this arc. Start and radius. So the start and put radius, for example 500. Enter. One more time. Just click this the start and radius is 1000 for example. Okay. Start and radius. Okay. And for third command is divide command. So just change the color from the property panel. Take magenta color. Okay. Draw one line. Straight line. If you want to divide this line, just type div, enter. Select object to divide. Here is, if you see in the command bar asking select object to divide, just click on this object, and again asking enter the number of segment. If you want to divide this in 5 segments, just type 5, enter. But this divided point is not visible, so one more command is the dd t type. Point type or p type, you can type p type, p type. Okay, you can take any point. Point size is 5, 10, you can take any. Okay, you divide in the 5 segment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time. Just draw one line. Just draw one line, straight line like this. Just type div, select object, enter the number of segment, for example 4, enter. Okay. P type, if you want to change the point type, just type P type and take any point. Okay, automatic change. Again, if you want to repeat the same command, just press enter, click on this, take any point. Again, press enter. Choose any point. You want to increase the size, just make it 15. Click OK. See, it's going to be divided. Again enter. Decrease the size, make it 5. Click OK. See, this one is divided in 5 segment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is divided in 4 segment, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the fourth command is donut command. So for donut command, again change the color. Type do, enter, and here is asking me to specify the inside diameter of donut. Type 0, enter. Then specify the outside diameter of donut, make it 400, enter. Just click. Okay, click, click, click. So this command is mostly used to draw the disc valve. Okay, I hope you learn something from this video. Please share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Success Engineering. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thank you for watching.